So today guys, I've got something really exciting for you, especially if you're a gamer and you like recording your own gameplay. I've got the ElGato 4K 60 Pro. Now there's two versions of this. I will be discussing it later on in the video and telling you which version to buy and which one not to buy. Please stay till the end of the video so you don't miss this. It does capture in 4K HDR flawlessly. It's a 4K 60 HDR capture, 240 Hz pass through. What this means is your gameplay can play up to 240 Hz, but your recording will be capped at 60 frames per second. It is a PCIe low profile and it is the latest in the range of ElGatos for PCIe low profile game capture cards. Instant game view, what that means is your recording and your gameplay will be in sync and there will be no lag. If you just look at the back of the box, it says it's ultra quality, capture immaculate 4K HDR content at 60 frames per second, ultra tech, power your workflow with superior low latency technology, ultra content, easily record and export to your favorite app. There's an image of the card itself, the back of the card. So you've got a HDMI in, you've got a HDMI out. It is Windows 10 compatible and it says it's perfect for the PS4 Pro, the Xbox One, Twitch and YouTube. If you look on the side of the box, it tells you what you get in the box. So you get the 4K 60 Pro card itself, you get a high and low profile bracket, and you get a HDMI cable. Now if you just have a look at the box itself, it is a nice, strong, sturdy box. This is the quality you would expect if you pay £230 for an item. So now we'll just go ahead with unboxing it. Let me just get a tool. So we cut it from here and we cut it from here. So now if you just open it to see what the content is inside. So it comes in this nice design box. If I'm honest, I'm really impressed. It looks really good. I like the presentation. And then if we open it from here, here it is guys, the Cristiano Ronaldo of the ElGato game capture cards. It comes in this little pouch. What we have here is some sort of instruction manual. You guys know how I feel about instruction manuals. You should always read these. We've got here the bracket, and we also have here, that is nothing, it doesn't come out. And here we go guys, we have the HDMI cable. It's a normal HDMI cable, nothing special. So guys, this is the card itself. Just open it, it's in this package. And as you can see, it is quite a small card. It only fits into the PCI Express, so I was expecting it to be this small. So there we have the HDMI in and the HDMI out, and it's got the little ElGato logo there. So guys, just to give you some information about this card, as I promised earlier, I will be telling the difference between the Mark 1 and the Mark 2. This, what I've got in my hand, is the Mark 2 version. The differences are, in the Mark 2 you can record in HDR. You can't do that on the Mark 1. On the Mark 2 it offers multi-application access. For example, you can stream in OBS whilst recording in ElGato 4K capture utility. This card is also smaller. The Mark 1 takes up the whole space of this bracket, whereas the Mark 2 it just takes small space here. And the other difference which you can tell is on the box itself. So if I just bring the box in, on the box here it says 4K 60 HDR, whereas on the Mark 1 it only says 4K 60. As I mentioned, the Mark 2 can do the HDR, but the Mark 1 cannot do that. It says on here 240 Hz pass through. On Mark 1 it doesn't say that on the box. It says PCIe low profile, it says that on the Mark 1, and it says instant game view on both boxes as well. Now the other thing which you notice is on the Mark 2 box, the image of the card itself is like this, whereas on the Mark 1 box the image is more like this, and you can see the back connectors on the box. So guys, from both the cards I would recommend that you get the Mark 2 version, which is this one that I've got in my hand. The Mark 1 version does have a lot of issues with it, that's why ElGato have discontinued it, but you will get some people online selling the Mark 1 version. I would say just avoid it altogether. This one does have a lower retail value from the two. So there you have it, guys. This was an unboxing of the ElGato 4K 60 Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos. Also, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. My links will be in the description box below. Thank you very much. Peace.